Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a voiceover because there is no audio which was recorded on this clip. Today, I'm going to show you how I start my onions and my garlic. But before we do that, I'll give you an overview of what's going on with the recovery. So here's an overview of the tree that fell, or one of the trees rather, that fell. You can see it's been cut into manageable pieces to be used in filling my beds in upcoming videos. We have some logs here, and in a few minutes, you'll see the burn pile. So this bed was refilled before the storm. Here I have onions that I started inside the grow house. We have some white onions and we have some creole or red onions. What I'm doing is digging a trench or row, two rows for the white onions. You'll see me after I dig the trench or row, I will add some fertilizer into the row, and then we will go ahead and put the onion start into position. These onions I started by filling a large tray with soil and dividing or putting a marker in the middle of the tray. And on one side, we started the white onions, and on the other side, we started the creole onions. These are the white onions that I'm placing into the row. And like I said, we have two rows of the white onions. We will also have two rows of the red onions. So here we are putting in the garlic that um, I have. The garlic is organic garlic that I got from the store, and I took a whole clove, took it apart, put it in a brown paper bag inside my refrigerator, and it was in there for a couple of months. So we're going to use these as my garlic seeds or starters. And what you see me doing here is the same process that I did for the onions. We're digging a row, and then we're going to make sure it's wide enough. We're going to add a little fertilizer, and then we're going to sit or place the garlic in with the root side down and the little pointy part standing up. So as you can see, all the garlic has been pretty much placed into place. And now I'm going to go back through and cover it up with soil and making sure that the little pointed piece is just barely peeking through the soil. Now I'm digging another trench or row, and we're going to repeat the process again for the red onions. So here we have dug the row, we're placing fertilizer into the row, and now we are putting in the red onions. And in the video, I didn't use all the onions that I started. It was a lot of them. So the leftovers are inside my greenhouse outside, and I go in and water them at the time of this video, they were doing pretty well, and haven't grown that much since. In this clip, we're continuing to put the red onions in, and shortly you will see me um, making sure that they are in place, and then we're going to cover them up. So you can see we have the onions in. At the top of the bed, we have the white onions. In the middle, we have garlic. And at the bottom, or, or left, we have red onions. Now we're going to put mulch in. So here we're putting in mulch, and we're covering everything that we planted in a light covering of mulch. And then afterwards, we will run the drip system. So we have the mulch in. This is um, just regular dry mulch that I got from my local Walmart. Um, Placed it down, not too heavily so that um, the plants won't come up, but enough to keep moisture in, and everything looks nice and well. And hopefully we will have onions and garlic in the future. So I would like to thank you for coming along with me while I showed you how I start my onions and garlic. We have 2 rows of onions, and of white onions, I mean, and 2 rows of red onions or creole, and 1 row of garlic. The garlic was store-bought garlic that I broke the head or the clove apart and put them in a brown bag in the refrigerator for about 2 months. So hopefully we will have a nice harvest of garlic and onions in the future. And I want to thank you for coming along. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. You can share the video. Also, chances are if you liked it, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.